Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi cousin for the week of October 9th through the 15th. And this week I'm using some new stickers from my sticker shop. So these are the watercolor pastel pumpkins that I have painted and made into stickers. And you've got the deco sheet, the quote and washi, the matching swatches, and the circles. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm also going to grab is this washi because I seem to use it for everything. Although I'm feeling like, should I branch out into something else? I don't know. I don't have a ton of different washi because I went through a whole washi phase, and now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, what do I really want? I'm gonna try maybe. I don't know if some of this would work or if that's too dark. That's alcohol ink from According to Allie. Or some of these, but I mean, like, no. You know what? I'm gonna go with my tried and tested, and then we'll go from there. So this script washi is from the Washi Tape Shop, and I love it because it just adds a little something neutral to the page without taking away from the stickers that are the main focus of the spread. And I'm just placing a few strips of it around the spread. And this is washi tape dispenser from either Amazon or from Stationery Pal, either one of those. You can actually get those pretty much anywhere. And just a little tiny one there. Then another tiny one in this corner. Okay, then I'm gonna place probably, let's do blue. Oops. Down in this corner. Oh, already I love it. And then maybe a smaller pumpkin. Yeah, a smaller pumpkin would probably work best there. Cute. Then I'll put some bigger pumpkins up at the top here. So I'll start with this one. There we go. Then let's see. I also want to use more of these circles, so like just there. So they look like just an ink splotch. And then maybe one of these. Actually, I'm gonna cut this, and I should have done it before I took it off the sticker paper. I'll place one of these down here, and then the other one up here with whoops, let's see, which pumpkins? Let's take a blue one and just place that right there. Okay, now I'm gonna leave that as is for now. Move that out of the way. I don't think I need this. Then what I'm gonna do is go ahead into, I'm gonna use actually my Pelikan M800, and this has Ferris wheel press Peter Moss to kind of match with the green that's in there. So I'm gonna just write in sleep, and this is where I try to keep track of my sleep score. I have the greatest of intentions when creating these habit trackers, but do I always fill them out? No, and that's okay. The intention is there for sure. Then with my new Zodiac Pen Company Aries model, oh, so pretty. Work out, and this has Diamine Jingleberry, which is a perfect match for this pen, and now I'm realizing it's actually a really good match with the purple that is there, but that is not actually the purple that I used when creating that collection. Okay, so, oh, Where did that come from? Hold on, paintbrush. Goodness gracious. Ah, I'm making it worse. It's okay. No big deal. Okay. Wow, what happened there? Which means it's probably leaking out into the pen. Oh, you know what? I didn't, when I filled this, I filled the converter and then primed the feed, which probably affected that. Okay. That's okay. The next thing I'm gonna do then is just at the bottom write down meals and alternate between the two pens. I wanted to find any excuse to use this pen because it is so fun. I'm writing meals down here for Thursday through Sunday, but I probably won't be writing meals down because I will be in Kelowna with my parents and my sister from the 12th through the 15th, which I am very excited for. Meals. Oh my gosh, these two ink choices were perfect for this week. Okay, and then going back into each day and writing the word work. Ah, I'm off that day. I'm only working 2 days this week. I just realized this is my 2-day work week. Woo! Fun. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't believe I forgot that this week is a 2-day work week because Monday is Thanksgiving. But we actually celebrate or have our Thanksgiving dinner on Saturday evening. My sister hosts it every year. Oh, how fun. Okay. Then I have to also remember that Wednesday is Henry's picture day. So I think I'm actually just going to write that. How am I going to write that? Where do I want to write that? I think what I'll do is actually just put a reminder for myself here. And that's okay. And then we'll go into Monday and actually do my to-do list here. To do will be the usual meal plan. Order groceries. I also, oh, and then the cleaner is coming this day as well. So we have the cleaner. Perfect. I also know this day I have to pack and I have to check in for our flights. Okay. What else? I know on Monday there's orders to do. I'm gonna just leave that pretty blank here. And then, gosh, this is gonna be a very short plan with me because I'm not going to really add too much in here just because I'm going to write this out like I'm memory planning, kind of just add things in here as they go. But the main thing that I need to remember was Henry's picture day on the Wednesday. There's no school, no work that day. And then, oh, so excited. So excited. Is there anything else I need to add? I don't feel like there is. This is a very short plan with me, but because my plans really are only in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then the rest of the week is pretty open because I'll be traveling. Oh, so excited. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that, but that is it for me. Very quick, I say very quick, but quicker plan with me. So once again, I used my watercolor pastel pumpkins collection. These are still available at my shop, and you can get them as either clear matte or white matte sticker paper. I will eventually be moving to premium white matte sticker paper, which I find is actually better quality and also better for my stickers as well, but that's something that's coming maybe in like the next month or so. Okay, again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi cousin in the daily spreads for the week of October 9th through to the 15th. And I feel like it's been a while since I did a daily journaling video. So the point of this video, or what I wanted to show you, was how I decorate all of my daily spreads ready for journaling, and then take you on a little bit of a journaling journey this week and show you how I fit in my journaling through my busy days and even while I'm out traveling, and even show you just a few snippets of my day-to-day life. So let's get started.